presentation, we're going to talk about Pinterest and how it can help your local business. We want to learn to leverage Pinterest to really get more customers to your local business. So how can we do that? Well, Pinterest and your local business. And we know that social media sites allow local businesses to reach out to huge numbers of people. We're talking millions of people that are using these social networks. Now, the way Pinterest differs from most other social networks is that it focuses on sharing images rather than content or staying in touch with friends. It's this revolutionary take on social media that is incredibly useful for small businesses if used in the right way. Now, their motto is to discover new things and get inspiration from people who share similar interests. So that is what we want to focus on when looking at how Pinterest is going to help your local business. So let's talk about Pinterest and what it is. Pinterest is a virtual pin board which allows people to add pins, which are images of things that interest them from around the internet. So people create their own pin boards on subjects like fashion and decoration, crafts, cooking, t-shirts, really anything. I mean, you can include graphics, photographs, products or brands, and you really interact with people through these images. You pin on your board and then you'll repin your image on other boards, and it just works in this viral fashion. Now, some online stores are now using their site, their Pinterest site, as a virtual storefront, which is really cool. But on a smaller scale, local businesses can utilize this platform to spread images and information about their business. Restaurants, manufacturers, shops, charities, we can all provide images and gain interest to our business by pinning them on our Pinterest boards. Now, Pinterest was set up in 2010, and it's the fastest site ever to reach the 10 million unique visitors mark. So it's a very cool, very growing site platform that you can take advantage of. Now, the popularity that it has, gets millions of unique visitors every month. So you really want to consider any type of opportunity like that and how it's going to benefit you. So let's talk about creating a Pinterest marketing strategy. Now, images, we know, are a very powerful marketing tool. So we want to take advantage of that when using Pinterest. Now, there's a few things that you're going to want to do to set up your marketing strategy. And first of all, it's setting up your business Pinterest page. You want to get followers, and then you want to connect it to your website by using some type of badge or icon on your site that people can go ahead and view your Pinterest boards. So setting up your business page, you add things that are visually appealing, that'll capture people's attention and really take your page to being more popular than anything. So you can divert this traffic that you get on Pinterest and take it back to relevant web pages that you have on your site. Now, Pinterest encourages users to keep original source links for each pin. So even if it's repinned on another user's board, potential customers will still be able to follow that link back to your business site. So that's what's most important. Set up good pin boards with good links, and it'll go back to your main website. You want to focus on getting followers. Now, building up followers is the best way to make sure you have a large audience and they can see your brand or service. There's competitions that are very valuable for getting followers. If you can do these competitions in a short period of time, you can have prizes and have people really start to follow what you do. Another way to build up followers is to use external sources from your own site. So start building people, traffic that goes to your site, and then they end up on your Pinterest board. You'll get more people to follow you on Pinterest that way. You really want to connect it with your website. There's a little icon there or a little graphic that says follow me on Pinterest. You're going to want to make sure you put something like that on your website so that they can visit your site and go to Pinterest or vice versa. From Pinterest, they'll be ending up back on your website. You really create this complete spider web of interactivity from your social media sites to your website. The pin it function automatically credits your site as the original source and creates a backlink. So backlinks are very important for SEO. So you're going to want to make sure you have those types of things set up on your site. Your products are advertised by Pinterest users for free, so make sure you do that because any free marketing is good marketing, right? Results of a Pinterest marketing strategy, these are some things that you can expect. and we'll talk about them in a little bit of detail, but we want obviously sales, we want brand awareness, we want interconnected social media marketing. It's like what I told you, it's like this spider web of connectivity that from your Pinterest to Facebook to Twitter to, and have everything intertwined, and it really helps you to get an understanding of your market. So increased sales are very important, of course. Having a well-presented Pinterest board will have people very interested in you and what you do and who you are and what you offer. Link that back to your website, and then you can get your sales there. Increasing your brand awareness by showing these images, it really shows what type of service or brand that you are offering. So advertise those services, show what you're about and what you do, and it'll increase your brand. Intertwine your Pinterest page with your Facebook timeline and with your website and vice versa. I mean, it all just, social media is just this big network, and you're going to want to make sure that you have those all connected. Now, this will help you understand your market. Customers can choose to like your pins and leave comments on them, so that gives you a better indication as to whether you're serving your market the right way. Reading all this information, all this data, and knowing your numbers really helps you to get a good, strong understanding of who your market is, what age group, the demographics, and what they like. So let's talk about how to get started. Now, setting up a Pinterest page can be easy, but implementing a Pinterest strategy can be very difficult. So you're going to want to make sure that you hire an advertising expert that can help you with setting everything up and making sure you're doing things right. Because a badly organized marketing strategy can really work against you rather than help you. And it's just going to spend your time and your energy, and you don't have time to waste on that. Focus your time on your business and let an expert help you set all this networking strategy and social media marketing up for you. So I just want to tell you, thank you for watching this video, but more importantly, I need you to contact us so that we can help you start to implement this strategy. If you think that setting up a Pinterest board and a marketing strategy for Pinterest and your business is important, it's essential that you call us and we help you get started. We'll start with a free consultation, and then we'll go from there. So thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you, and we look forward to helping you with your Pinterest marketing strategy.